Hello everyone, George from ProBuilt here. Today I wanted to take a few moments to share with you a personal experience I had at my own personal home recently. You may have heard me talk in our spring maintenance tips video about having the HVAC contractor come out and do the maintenance and tune up on your air conditioning. Well, did that this summer on my own personal home, only 2 years old, and as you can see from this picture, man, is there a ton of dirt and pollen and debris on that air conditioner. I've heard in the past, oh my gosh, I really don't need to worry about my air conditioner. It's Ohio, it only works 3 months a year. But man, as you can see from that photo, there was a lot of debris accumulated on that coil, which dramatically affects the ability of that air conditioner to cool your home. So it truly is necessary to have your air conditioner serviced every spring. Thanks again for listening. I just wanted to share with you my personal experience.